My neighbor keeps worrying about washing colored and white clothes together. Obviously, it seems worrisome, but I have a superb solution to that as well. Let me show you. We take an equal amount of water in 2 beakers and we add a piece of cotton cloth in each beaker. Now we add 1 dirt and color catcher sheet into one of the beakers. Now we add 2 drops of blue ink into each beaker with constant stirring. And continue stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. The blue ink in one beaker will be absorbed by the dirt and color catcher sheet, leaving the solution colorless to mild blue, and the white cloth will be as white as ever. Whereas the solution in the other beaker remains blue, which in turn gives a bluish shade to the white cloth. Now you can easily wash all your clothes together without any worries.